Welcome to this tutorial on how to buy crypto with Payoneer, a popular online payment platform. In this guide, we will walk you through the steps to purchase cryptocurrency using your Payoneer account. First, you need to have a Payoneer account. If you don't have one, sign up for free on the Payoneer website. Once you have an account, make sure it is fully verified to avoid any transaction limits. Next, you need to find a cryptocurrency exchange that supports Payoneer as a payment method. Some popular exchanges that support Payoneer include Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase. Create an account on your chosen exchange and go through the verification process. After verifying your exchange account, go to the deposit section and select Payoneer as your payment method. You will be redirected to the Payoneer website to complete the payment. Log into your Payoneer account and confirm the transaction. Once the payment is complete, the funds will be credited to your exchange account. You can then use these funds to buy your desired cryptocurrency. Simply go to the trading section, select the cryptocurrency you want to buy, and place an order. It is essential to note that some exchanges may have different payment processing times and fees. When using Payoneer, make sure to check the fees and processing times before making a transaction. To minimize risks and ensure a smooth transaction, make sure your Payoneer account and exchange account are fully verified, and you have sufficient funds in your Payoneer account. Additionally, always use two-factor authentication and keep your accounts secure. In conclusion, buying crypto with Payoneer is a straightforward process that requires a Payoneer account, a cryptocurrency exchange account, and sufficient funds. By following these steps and taking necessary precautions, you can securely and efficiently purchase cryptocurrency using your Payoneer account.